In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record the purchase of a motor vehicle fixed asset in Xero. This process is essential to ensure that your accounts accurately reflect your business's financial transactions, particularly when it comes to managing your fixed assets. So let's get started on this journey of adding a motor vehicle to your Xero account. First, look at the top bar of your Xero dashboard, where you'll see the Accounting option. This is where we begin our task. Clicking on Accounting will bring up a drop-down menu, and we need to head over to the Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a list of all the accounts within your business, and it's where we're going to add our new asset. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll need to find and click on the Add Account button. This action is straightforward but crucial because it's how we tell Xero about this new asset we're adding. In the next step, select the account type as Fixed Asset. Since a motor vehicle is considered a fixed asset in accounting terms, this is the correct category under which we should list it. When it comes to entering a code, pick something straightforward and memorable. This code will help you easily reference this asset in the future. Next up, give it a name. You might want to call it motor vehicle for clarity, but feel free to choose any name that best describes the asset for your business's needs. Now, it's time to select the tax type applicable to this asset. Choosing the correct tax type ensures compliance with tax reporting regulations, so be sure to select the option that aligns with your specific situation. Once you've entered all these details, click Save, and just like that, you've successfully added a motor vehicle as a fixed asset. With that set up, don't forget an equally important step: establishing a less accumulated depreciation account for this motor vehicle. Depreciation is how businesses account for the wear and tear on assets over time, which impacts their value. Set up this account under your motor vehicle asset and save it to keep everything in order. Now, it's time to record the purchase itself. Navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard and click the plus symbol. This leads you to a menu where you'll select Bill. You're now in the interface to input the details of your purchase. Here, you'll enter who you bought this motor vehicle from and any other relevant details tied to the bill. In the section for items included, make sure to provide the vehicle's information and, importantly, select the account type we just created, our motor vehicle fixed asset account. And that's it. You've now successfully recorded the purchase of a motor vehicle fixed asset in Xero. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your financial records reflect this significant purchase accurately.